100% level of confidence by Albert. When you speak English, even some sentence broken, but no matter we are already understand the meaning. I come sorkar no ya u lem kumta ka sorkar day ban sampai ya new guy. Najela jingim das new lai hang ne mo prolong. Snew to sorkar koskor ya ka jing tofu guy. Day ban I come you nam bun la ban trishu e kam babha. Albert, you are brave and sincere. Keep it up, kun. God will always bless you through your life. Be patient and sincere with your job. Long samlau besisha but cringing shakum balong. Bapa Albert, I like your confidence. Peit kun samlau nuk sabapajung ba Albert. Proud of you, Albert. God bless you. Jinga ye jung try jisu un kut kukar haya pi para to nang kiu seprang nang kiu. Balai yau babhapen idur kmat yau balai kam sniu tangga dur om yu ikane kam se fegajing im jung kis ngam bawat pen idur kmat kumne. Scam man sim ba Albert blame kut kuyu pi. Ba pitre hok bat kranik jing sha. Thanks Master Albert. What you like kai but ul local guy jungi hand off to you ba nang ya kiu seprang. Agam ba pitre blame nang kut ku hegajing kasem jung pi. I really like his confidence. Well done, bro. Nong keliru trim nong jupap rupiang. Thank you samla Albert ulai nang don lang bat pi. Trim palat ban jubab nong nang kiu seprang. Guide Albert blend don kat bat pi. Shano jak jingkular pisa ban ai kat yang balap bayo I ban ai pisa ai yang bak pde pri. What you talk kita bahayung sonam ru kiap ai yang bak pde. What you read men simo bro abayai hab keren na tak hok bak jing pau blend don kat bat pi. Blame long haswa jung pi Albert yang scam hakasing sha jubab bei ku papi I wat am bakla une gai baslo sha bat ngayro yakajing slo jung long live Albert and God bless you. Through broken English still you converse it well throat and clean hand you are hero. Marsinya tu Albert bayo I langot kibiyat lang bat uraja mi bloi kasanam. Nice to see my name on media. May Almighty God bless you, brother, to speak the truth and you saw what you saw. Hakjilla jingi la dadon ki bri ku kum iba Albert ki baslo bermi ban kan jing sha hakjilla jingi kan amdu jing snew. Best speaking in English language. Good luck. Be proud of you, Albert. God bless you and your family. Trim ba Albert ban kan English. Proud of you, bro. Jing not patrish hok ya kam la jong baknu sa ba nam ta ki kun smla blen ker unda ban nang ya ker ku pi kermen bag sarkar kan pekmat nam shone kun smla bo mi shakman nam ta jing sha jing job please bin jing sha don't underestimate the power of people and make a God bless you.